can email them and go, the email what I send about exactly what I was going to send to them. Whatever I send is exactly to us. Right? Because every computer, you carry what? The same codes, the same bits and bytes. You carry the computer. You carry it. Right? So what do we need to know right now is that electricity is converted into ones and zeros called bits. The bits regroup into bytes of 8 bits each, and each byte is one character that is recognizable to human. That's all we need to know. Don't go and try anything else, I'm telling you. Right? A lot of people try it. We try, a lot of people kind of try it too. It's a try. Assignment is a try. Like weeks, try it. You cannot see it. Right? So everyone, and that's what they want is bits and bytes. Huh? Yeah, what's bits and bytes? What are bits? 1 and 0. Right? What is a byte? Yeah. A group of 8 bits. Or, you understand? Of any 8 bits, of any 8 bits, right? So you understand that, right? How much possible bytes exist? Get 106 in a computer. Very good. Right? Can we tell which byte go with S or anything? Huh? No. Yeah, why? Computer automatically do it for us and don't try to do it. I tell you, the man who make it, they prove it, the man who make it today, the man from Jews, from Germany, who made a computer. He himself do not know. The first one made a electrical computer. Right? The one who make it, they do not know. They do it automatically. Right? So we're going to go to chapter 7. Jigo. What is a Jigo? G-I-G-O. Anyone can do the definition for Jigo? Garbage out. Yeah. Good. So I go to Jigo. I said, the information that comes out of the computer is only as good as the information you put into it. In other words, useful output requires accurate input. If you meant to type 7 but accidentally type 76, don't do what? Don't blame the computer when the results are wrong. Many people do it. Many people do it. All of us do it. The computer has a name for this. Jigo, which stands for garbage in, garbage out. So we're going from computer, I got a mistake. But now I'm going to the computer. Come with an error. Huh? Got it? Yeah, sometimes I try to move too fast. Sometimes I try to move too fast. You know? And we're coordinating with the fingers. You understand? So it's error. The error will be the computer. Oh, the computer error. No, you're a mistake. This thing right here is one it functions properly, it's very accurate. Right? When that functions properly, you change it. Very accurate, make it very accurate. Right?
Something like that keeps spirit.
Yeah, much keeps spirit. But back then there was one thing. Count numbers, very good. Computers coming from. Right? Back then, in the fairy days, we use it. And the Chinese numbers and whatsoever. Right? So, skip, go to this stuff. When our time starts. We mercifully start our timeline in the 1940s, when there was at least electricity as well as technology to truly compute, rather than simply adding long series of numbers. So our timeline started in 1940s. By who? Which country, which man? Anyone know that? Huh? I'm starting there, German. The suits. Coming to what? Z3 computers. Right? What purpose for the Z3 computer? What was the purpose? Yeah, because of war, world war. German want to take over the world. So Mr. Seuss, scientist on computers. And at that time was doing very good, was advanced for the rest of the world. Right? When the other countries take hours and days and weeks to record a simple calculation, Mr. Seuss take 2 or 3 hours and do it with his old-fashioned computer. Right? Back then, Seuss computer was about 3 or 4 times bigger than this one right here. And the prime side of it, operating. And other people could not operate, you have to be a scientist, a top-class scientist to operate. Right? That's Seuss computer. Second computer, who make it?
English.
Yeah? The English. Yes. And the purpose of the English computer is what? Why? Why was the purpose of the English computer? Huh? To read German codes, It's a Seuss computer. So the English computer named the Colossus computer. Right? And it was a private computer. The world will not know about it. The Colossus. And the Colossus had only one purpose, was to read German codes. So the Englishman couldn't know what German was coming with. Computer. Right? That's how the purpose was Colossus computer. To read German computer. Then other countries made the third computer. USA, the American. What was the name of that computer? What was the name of that computer? Mark 1 computer. Mark 1 computer was much advanced than the Colossus and the what? The Z3 computer. Right? Then the computer breakdown. After the World War, the breakdown to the businessman, Mr. IBM, who know him? The Harvard University, come together, and the US Army start to make what? Computers. Right? And those that make computers after the World War was for business purposes. Only businessmen could afford computers. Right? They have all the money to buy one. Right? And it break down, right? You know 1981 is a personal computer. Buy one eventually. That's true, yeah? They own one and plan to buy one. Right? Also chances are it's not an IBM but an IBM style clone. It thinks and works like an IBM, but has been manufactured by someone else. It said in the year 2002, 90% of all personal computer sales in the world were IBM type computers. Apple makes another 10%. Of all the IBM type computers sold, fewer than 7% of those were actually made by IBM. Such is the nature of computation. What it said? You don't understand it? Huh? That's somebody.
The market. Until they had some clone for the IBM. And Apple made 10% of that market.
E-machine, HP, you understand? All of those computers, right? All of those computers are part from Apple computers are clone of the IBM computers, right? They are clone type. They think the same way and work the same way, right? These are clone of the IBM computer. The only one that is different is the Apple computer. Macintosh computer, we call it Mac computer, the only one that's different. Never called after IBM computer. right? But all the computers that made from the year 2002 until now is a clone of the IBM computer, right? It also states that even though Japan don't have some IBM computer, IBM itself, IBM itself, they make fewer than 7% of the computer today in this world, right? So that very simple and easy. Alright? Right here. All the video card. I show all the graphics and images on the computer. This thing right here. Video card. Right? Graphics and images on the computer. This thing right here called power supply. Power supply. It takes current from the wall. It comes from the wall. And break it down with electricity or the current. Feed all to the computer with electricity. Also has a fan attached to it, cool down the computer. So we're through this, right? Straps. They call it ribbon cable. Ribbon cable.